Exposing the secret to hassle-free payments in 2025. Meet Stripe, your new business buddy. Here's your step-by-step guide to get started. First up, create a Stripe account. Head over to Stripe's website, click Start Now, and fill in your email, name, and a strong password. Don't forget to verify your email. Next, complete your business profile. Provide your business type, legal name, address, phone number, and social security number. Link your bank account for payouts, add tax info, then review and submit. Activate payments to start accepting those sweet transactions. This might need some extra info. Now, explore the dashboard. It's your central hub for managing payments, customers, and products. To accept payments, create payment links or integrate Stripe's API if you're tech-savvy. Manage customers and products right in the dashboard. For payouts, Stripe automatically transfers funds to your bank. Check your balance and manage payouts easily. And don't forget to leverage Stripe's tools. Fraud detection, two-factor authentication, and detailed reporting are all at your fingertips. Finally, stay compliant with regulations. Stripe's got extensive documentation and customer support to help you out. There you have it.